Hey guys, how are you? So in this lesson, we're starting our new unit about addition and subtracting. So let's review how to add. We covered place values, so you guys are very familiar with what place values and the location of digits on a number and how much they're worth. So for instance, let's go ahead and get started with adding one digit by one digit numbers. Let's say that you have 4, we'll make a very easy one just to get the concept. 4 plus 4. Okay, very simple. The act of adding is to just combine the two numbers together. So again, you can draw something to help you, or you can use mental math, whatever works for you guys, ladies and gentlemen. So you have 4, it could be 4 ducks, $4, 4 whatever. In this case, we'll just talk about money. I love money. I don't know about you, but money, my favorite thing. So 4 plus 4 gives you, well, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4 plus this 4 right here gives you 8. Okay, very simple. The same concept goes for any other numbers. You can use mental math or you can even use your fingers. However, what happens when we move away from adding one digit by one digit and start doing one digit by two digits? So let's go ahead and exit out of all this stuff right here, and we're going to go ahead and cross this out and change that to a two-digit number. Ooh, we're getting bigger now. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Let's say 16 plus 4. Now some of you guys can do this mentally using your place values and what you know about numbers. However, if you can't do this, let's go ahead and rearrange this setup here and make it vertical, going up, down. So I'm going to recopy my problem. 16 plus, well, I'm going to put 4, but I see a lot of students putting the 4 right here. That's not okay, guys, because the 4 is in the ones place, and knowing what we know about place values is that 4 needs to go in the ones place. So let's go ahead and erase that because this is not okay. That 4 needs to go in the ones place. Now that we have arranged it correctly, now let's go ahead and begin adding. 6 plus 4 gives you a sum of 10. So let's go ahead and regroup our 10 because you cannot put 10 down here in the answer box. You're going to have to regroup the 1 up in the tens place. 1 and the 0 goes down here in the ones place in the answer box. Now we move on to the next column, which is the tens place. So what's 1 plus 1? 1 plus 1 gives you 2, so that means you have 20 in the tens place. 16 plus 4 is a sum of 20. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, very easy stuff. Well, let's go ahead and do this same concept. However, let's do it with using place value blocks, yeah? Let me go ahead and erase all this real quick. This is a small eraser, so it's going to take a bit of time here. But we'll get it together. So using my place values, I'll be able to add mentally, but for the students that can't add mentally, it's quite alright because we can still add using the algorithm, and that's what I just got done using, and that's why I set it up from vertical. I put it up, down. So let's go ahead and rewrite this problem in a way that you guys will understand better. So let's take a look. 16 plus 4. 16 has 110, so I'm going to go ahead and put 10. I'm writing an expanded form here. You guys are going to learn about expanded form. 10 and 6 ones. Plus, and how much is in the next one? The next number is 4 right here, so I'm going to put 4 in the one place. Plus 4. Alright, let's get started. Well, 6 plus 4 equals 10. Therefore, I have to give this guy another one. That's why we regroup, ladies and gentlemen. This is why we regroup. So, boom, that adds another 10 into it. Okay, and that 0 right here will in turn go in the ones place down here. Okay, what is 10 plus 10? That's 20. So what is 20 plus 0? 20 plus 0 gives you a sum of 20, which is the original sum. The answer to 16 plus 4 is 20. Alright? Very easy, ladies and gentlemen. I hope you guys understand a little bit more. This is just a review, just to kind of get you guys understanding how to add again, because I know we just started the year, and a lot of us after summer break, I tell that I'm having a hard time with it. It's just getting back into the groove of things, and this is going to help you guys. All right, so now it's your turn, ladies and gentlemen. Go ahead and help me out here. I'm going to go ahead and erase all of this. Let's see. And I'm going to try and capture all this and delete it. Boom. Alright. So I'm going to put a problem up here, and on your whiteboard slates, go ahead and write this down and answer it. Help me out. So we're going to do 17 plus 4 equals, I have no idea. That's why you guys are going to help me. So 17 plus 4, ooh, what's this one? Let me exit out of this. 17 plus 4, ladies and gentlemen, go ahead and write that down. I want it in a vertical way. So I'm going to go ahead and put 17 like this. I hope you're copying this down. Now, I want you to put the 4 in the correct place value. It's supposed to go in the 1s. Make sure not to put it in the 10s. It needs to go right. You're good. You got it right there. Very nice, ladies and gentlemen. All right. So now that we can go ahead and use the standard algorithm of addition to go ahead and find the sum of this. So 7 plus 4 equals, you can use your fingers, I don't care how you do it, 7, I like to do this, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 4. That gives me 11. So carry my 1, and the 1 for the 1's place goes down here in the answer box, so that's 11. And then 1 plus 1 equals 2. 21 is your sum, ladies and gentlemen. Your sum is 21. That is your answer to 17 plus 4. Very easy concept, ladies and gentlemen. The whole thing about the regrouping, if I put it in expanded form, you guys will understand a lot better what the regrouping looks like. So I'm going to go ahead and erase this and go ahead and put it in expanded form for you. That way you guys can get a clearer picture of what it looks like actually, and why we actually go ahead, why we regroup. Okay, so I'm going to do this in red. My 10s is my 17. So I'm going to have, the 17 has a 10 plus the 1 in the 7 is 7. That's the value. And then at the very bottom, we're going to do plus right here. We're adding. And the 4 has a value of 4. So that goes in the 1's place. Okay. Go ahead and begin adding this puppy. I'll do the addition part in red. So I'm going to put 10 in there. 7 plus 4, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So I have 11 here, ladies and gentlemen. However, I can't just put 11 in the 1's place. I have to put that 10 in the 10's place. So that gives it a 10 plus the 1. Notice how this 10 right here and this 1 right here equals the 11 that we added for the 7 plus 4. So now I have 1 in the 1's place plus, what's 10 plus 10, ladies and gentlemen? 10 plus 10 is 20. Very good. So what is 20 plus 1? That equals 21. Again, the same sum, the same answer to the addition problem was 21. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, well, that's just a quick review of how to add 1 digit by 1 digit, and don't forget 1 digit by 2 digit, or 2 digit by 1 digit. Alright, ladies and gentlemen, I'm going to go ahead and put a couple problems up on the whiteboard here, and I want you guys to answer it by yourself. And don't forget, you can always go back, rewind, fast forward, however you need to do this to learn better, okay? I'm not judging you. Alright. But please, don't hit the exit button because that would offend me. So, keep me up here, alright? Let's go ahead and do 18 plus, we'll do 6 equals, maybe you guys find that out for me. We'll go ahead and do 24 plus 7. Go ahead and find that out for me. And the last one I want you to work on is going to be 32 plus adding. We're going to add 6 to the 32. Okay? Those are the ones for your closing activity. I hope you answer these correctly, ladies and gentlemen. Good luck, and please review back in the video if you need to. Follow the resources I will be providing at the end of the lesson in this module, in this lesson. Have a great day. Thank you.